Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and look what we're looking at. 1987 GNX, only 26,000 and some odd miles on it. The car is unbelievable. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it and check out us driving it, we're going to get it up on the lift. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GNX investment. Go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to show you all of that, and we're going to fire it up for you right now. All right, check out this beauty. I tell you what, in the day, this was the car. Now, this is all original paint, unbelievable, very, very well kept since 1987. It is in beautiful shape. You look down the side of it, no door dings, no major chips. It is gorgeous. The wheels are in beautiful shape. She is awesome. Check out the interior here. The interior's in beautiful shape also. Door panels look good, carpeting looks awesome, steering wheel's in good shape, the dash looks good, the upholstery on the seats is in good shape. Now the headrests on this seats are actually the Grand National headrests, and we actually have the GNX ones in the trunk. The previous owner wanted to keep those nice and safe, so he took those off and replaced them. But we do have the original ones here in the trunk. Back bumper looks good. All the plastic on the bumper looks good. We've got a bunch of goodies in the trunk here. There's the headrest right there. We got a few plaques. This is car number 393. We've got a towel. We've got t-shirts. We got a jacket. We got a hat. We got an original license plate. That's the catalytic converter I was telling you about. We got extra piece of exhaust pipe there too that goes with it. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Like I said, very, very well kept throughout the years. That's a lot of years to keep a car this nice. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. We're not a consignment dealer. We're bringing in between 45 and 50 new cars every month. We have 225 in stock, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, GNX time, guys. You want to talk about a little piece of history right here. It's the first one I've ever driven, so I feel really honored to be able to actually drive one. You know, they didn't make very many of these cars, and in the day, this was the car to have, you know. This is an amazing piece of machinery right here, guys. GNX, this one's only got 26,869 miles right now. Now, we can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. And if you have some need for financing, just call Tom. He can help you out with that too. We've got 3 bankers we're working with on financing. It only takes about a 10 or 15-minute phone call with the banker, and we can get this dream in your drive. You see down here on the dash, the speedo and the tach is working. Looks like all the gauges are working. It's got all the factory controls, the radio, everything. I mean, it's all here, guys. Little piece of history right here, GNX. Real bad to the bone machine right here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're real close to the airport. If you'd like to fly into Detroit Metro Airport, we're only 20 minutes from the airport to check this car out in person. We'd love to have you because you know what? A lot of our customers buy sight unseen. As a matter of fact, it's about 95%. So we don't get to meet a lot of our customers, and we'd love to have you come in and check out this car or one of the other 225 cars we have in stock right now. We're bringing in about 45 to 50 new cars every month, so we've always got new inventory coming in, and you never know what we'll have next. So please check out the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now, when you're looking at our cars, if you see something on one of them that you'd like a little different, or if it only had this or only had that, talk to Tom about it. We've got a whole team of mechanics. We can do just about anything to a car that needs to be done. I'll tell you what, you can feel the power in this thing. It is a sweet ride, guys. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that legendary motor. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your investment. All right, we're underneath this GNX now, and man, it's clean under here too. Look at this. Look at the back side of the bumper, how nice and clean that is. The car was very well kept throughout the years. And look at that rear end cover there. Man, how'd you like to have to find one of them? That thing is beautiful. Bilstein shocks. Now the brakes, the guys pull all apart, make sure the brakes are in good working order. Now it has had new mufflers and exhaust tailpipes put on it. Of course, everything under here is nice and clean. Floorboards are all original, of course. The frame looks great. We got the 200R4 4-speed automatic trans that came in. That's the original trans. It does have a test pipe in it, and the catalytic converter is in the trunk. So if you'd like to put that back on, go for it. Everything up front here is stock. Again, the guys will take a look at the brakes. Nice and clean under here. This is all original stuff here, guys. Low mileage car, very, very rare car. You're just not gonna find another one this nice. Doesn't have chrome, it's a painted front bumper, and that's looking great. I'll tell you, I thought that was chrome, it's so shiny. Of course, the GNX plate on the front. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got the aluminum wheels with the GNX center caps. It's got BFGs on it, and if I could find the size, I'd tell you, 245/50, 16s up front. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, again, the GNX is upside down back here. And we got 255/50, 16s back here also, and there's those brand new tailpipes. Let's get under the hood and see what's making these tires smoke. Here it is, one of the baddest cars in 1987 right here, the GNX. This baby is a 6-cylinder, guys. She's a V6. And that cover right there, if you needed that cover, we've seen them as much as $6,000. Of course, this car is intercooled. It's got the a unique power brake setup on it. It does have power steering on it. The car is amazing, guys. This thing is sweet, and it's not gonna last long. There's not very many of them out there. A lot of guys drove the crap out of these cars. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.